Llegó el starter. Ahí está. Maybe this or this. I have to see because this one is a little different than the one I had before. It's a little more streamlined. So I might be able to just remove the exhaust and wiggle it in there, but I think this on the way. Alright, so that's that. Damn, somebody's holding ass out there. I'm excited because I don't know how many years it's been since I got this tractor to start with his own starter. It's been a minute. It's been a freaking minute and a half. There we go. Get this guy out of the way like this. Okay, that'll work. Not quite. Oh, please. No way. No way. No, no way. I got excited too fast. Look at that, the clearance. It's like fucking, it's crazy how it's like centimeters. Oh, wait, never mind. Este sí entró. Fuck, I hope the hole's lined up. The hole's lined up, ya chingamos. Es el pedo aquí. This is gonna hold it in place. Excuse me. There we go. Yeah, that works. I like to fix these though. Maybe adjust this guy much.